Okay, in this video I want to show you how you can do an explore search on Kayak, and this is a great way to find flights within a set budget. So here on the Kayak site that we're on, and you just come down the menu here on the left hand side to this button, Explore. Click on that and you'll come to this next menu, and you basically just put the starting airport in that you want to fly from. We're going to leave anywhere blank because we're not really fussed. We're going to try and find cheap flights. I'm going to narrow this down and just go for January 2024, and you can set the duration here. So this is the duration of your trip, and I like trips of around about 4 days or so. So let's have a look. And then the other thing you can do here, which I really like, is you can set the budget. So let's have a look where we can fly. Let's go quite low here. Let's go £50. And now what you'll be left with is flights that meet that criteria. And you just basically click on the map and scroll around, and you can see there are different flights coming up here. So we've got flights all over Italy, Spain, we've got Greece. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at Bucharest, what flight that is. When you click on the flight, initially you get the flight route highlighted, and then you have to click again just to get the prices. And this is where it will show you who the flight operator actually is. And yeah, no surprise that it's Wizz Air for this particular destination. And at the top here you have cheapest option, best option and quickest option. They're not always the same thing. They are on this particular flight search here. So we can see that once you get onto this page, it puts the dates in at the top. So we can see that actually there's flights here that go from London Gatwick on the 22nd of January. They'll be leaving at 9:30 in the evening, and then they're coming back, here's the date here, on the 26th at 7:10, and getting back in at 9 o'clock, and that's £37. So that's a really good way of finding cheap flights. There's lots of filters that you can use down here on the left hand side. I really like these filters here. So these are good if you've got connecting flights, either from your outbound journey or your inbound journey. And you can also put in whether you've got luggage, and lots and lots of options in there as well. So one of the reasons I really like Kayak Explore is because it is a great way to stick within your budget. And even on this initial search here, you can also specify what type of trip that you like and the maximum flight duration you would like to. So I would recommend just putting in one of the airports that you regularly use and playing around with these options and seeing how far you can get on your budget.